I am Madison Cawthon, and this is my classroom. I'm the woodworking teacher at Roberson High School. Woodworking is an art, it's a science, and it also offers very practical skills. The classroom is a wood shop. It's very in your face. When you walk into the shop, the machinery and the tools are there for you. The wood and the materials are there for you to explore and really have fun with in a safe and effective way, of course. So I have students in my class for several different reasons. Some want those woodworking skills to be in a trade. They're interested in carpentry and construction or owning a shop of their own one day. Some of my students have a fine art background, have taken several art classes, and are interested in how woodworking can add to that craft, how they can use woodworking and fine art together. It's really easy to get into that flow state of mind where you are just really focused in on what you're working on, whatever the task is at hand. And honestly, it can be very therapeutic to just focus in on you and the machine that you're working with, and then of course just working with your hands. It's always something that has been a source of just calmness for me.